Where are you going, bud? Wrap her gun there. Oh, you want to see a cow? Say hi to Callie. She your friend? She mostly just tolerates him. You like that? Is that funny? Are you trying to get on the? Are you trying to take another nap? Huh? What's up here? What's up here? You already took a nap. Get out of here. Interesting. Very interesting. Are you just gonna take a nap here? Huh? He is super grumpy. Bye. Do you want to come downstairs with me? Come here. Oh. Alright, let's put a show on for you, okay? I'll sit here with you for a little bit. You stinky. You stinky. You stinky. You stinky. No. Got it. Let's go to the grocery store. Alright, we're still waiting for Katie to get home before we can leave for the grocery store, so I'm going to try to clean up a little bit because it is a disaster in here. Look at all that. Why? Jackie and I are in the car getting ready to go into Food Lion. Katie went to Cosmoprof right there so that she can get some stuff for her hair, or hair dye. So we're gonna go get started shopping and she's gonna meet us in there. Banana. You can't have one right now. So we just got done shopping in Target for a new car seat because someone crashed the car. Who crashed it? Who could that have been? Oh, losing lights. Who could have crashed the car?
This one over here.
Who do you think crashed it?
Alright, let's go.
But in case you guys didn't know, if you get in a car accident and your car meets certain criteria, hey, you can get a new car seat. What was the criteria that we met?
Couldn't drive it away.
So since we couldn't drive our car away from, or she couldn't drive the car away from the scene of the accident, we get to replace the car seat. You're supposed to get a new car seat in case there's like, sort of like micro fractures, yeah, in the car seat that you often can't see.
Okay.
So the next accident that you get in, the car seat could already be compromised, and then the baby or kid or whoever, and then the baby or kid or whoever is riding in the car seat can get seriously injured instead of just sort of like bouncing around a little bit because the car seat can break. That is why we got a new car seat, and we're just sending the bill to the insurance company, and they're covering it for us. So, yeah, now it's time to go home, and she's gonna make dinner.
Ow, ow, hot, 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 hot. I know you're recording, babe, but I need your help. Okay.
With what?
Can you check the noodles? On their potato?
Hey, you want to feed Callie?
No.
Look. You just pour it in here. You want to pour it in there? Put it in here. Good job. Is that cool? Alright, so I went ahead and did 2 days in this vlog just because we didn't get a ton of content in yesterday when we were running around trying to get Jackie's new car seat and go grocery shopping. So Joe is on his way here. I'm giving him some computer parts because he had a computer given to him by a friend, but he just needs some cables and things to get it running, and he's going to use it for his kids so that they can play games at his house and not have to go in his office and play on his computer. So he should be here maybe in like another 5 or 10 minutes, and we will see him when he gets here. You see somebody? He called you Elmo.
I have been caught on camera. What's up, Jackie, man?
Hey,
What's going on? Hey, you
ignore the
dog.
mess.
I don't care. Mess is good. Mess is okay. What's up, man? You are my buddy.
Okay.
Yeah. She was bad, and so she's trapped on the steps. She's not allowed down here ever again.
She doesn't do great when people come in the house. You see, not them, wait for it. That guy right there, that kid. They named him Catboy. Not like Boy Cat or Panther Kid or Kid Cat or I don't know, anything that sounds remotely cool. They named him Catboy. I mean, they could have done like at least like the Panther, right? Or Panther Kid or
Meow. It is kind of a wimpy name. Come on. Catboy? Are you Catboy?
Alright, so I just got a text from Katie. She is not doing too hot at work after the car accident and just being sore and not quite feeling 100%, hitting her head and her arm and her back hurting. Jackie! And stuff like that. So, yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. She just doesn't feel good. But if any of you, in case any of you didn't know, so before she even got in the car accident, she had degenerating discs in her lower back. I think it was her L4 and L5. So getting in the accident and then going to work just a couple days after is just kind of agitating it, you know, even more because it's always kind of just a dormant problem that might sit there for a couple days and then flare up. So she's having a pretty rough night tonight. But tonight we're going to have cheeseburgers, which is pretty exciting. Where are they? Hey. Prime rib gourmet burgers.
Go.
So this might be kind of terrible to say, but this is the first time that we've actually eaten at the dinner table as a family.
I have a family, yeah.
So like in 2 years, right?
Yeah.
So we're just going to finish eating and then hang out and spend time together. So I think we're gonna end this one
Here.